Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. This video will be very short because I will only introduce you to a method called ToUpper that basically just put your text in caps, but this can be very useful if you want to only display text with upper letters, like you turn on the caps lock and write down a furious message. So let's do it. Let me show you just this simple piece of code. Let's create a new script for this kind of tutorials. I will call it basic coding. Basic coding would work like this, and I will open up the script right now. Here we go. And you might remember the hello world that every programmer, every developer usually does. So I will create something like that. I will create a string called my text, and I will call it hello world, and I will debug this in start. I will put debug.log and I will put my text. So what will happen if I go into Unity? So I will create a new object just to put this, attaching the script there, hit play, and we should see in the console that we debugged hello world just like expected. But imagine that I want to debug this with all these letters in caps lock. I can do this in different ways. I can put just an extension here to this string, or I can create a new one to have this value and put it with the upper letters and then debug it below this one. I could do this as well, so I can put debug.log just so you see the difference. My text dot, and now you only need to look for ToUpper, and now you put more parentheses, and we can save this and go back to Unity and see the difference. Let's hit play, and now we have hello world in two different forms. We have hello world just as we write it down, and we have hello world all in caps lock. So it's simple as that. I also could do something like this: string my upper text equals, and we can say that it has nothing inside, but then in start I could say my upper text equals my text dot ToUpper. So this will replace this with this variable in caps lock, and now I could also debug here, debug.log my upper text. That should be updated as expected. Let's save this and let's check into Unity. We should have a simple hello world and two hello worlds in caps lock now. Let's press play, and there we have it. We have here hello world, the simple version, and we have hello world in caps lock twice. So that's it for this simple tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one, either being Unity or C# tutorials. Remember to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you a lot for watching, and I'll see you there. Stay cool.